Sorry. I'm gonna have to redo it. So, back at it again. 100th anniversary of TNT Fireworks. The banners. You've seen the 100. I colored it here. And I colored it over here. It took me a while to finish the entire thing, but to me, I but I got in, some trouble. Some trouble because my mother didn't like the way I handled that reception. Yes, I don't know. I don't even know where I got it from. Ignore it, you guys. Ignore it. Yeah. So yeah. No, no. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. Uh, the the crown, the flag, the Happy Birthday TNT Fireworks. I wrote it on there because it needed something. Well, it's missing something to finish it off. So yeah, I was like, what's missing? And so I put, oh, it's the Happy Birthday TNT Fireworks because it's celebrating 100 years. 100 years. Yes, 100 years because it's been a great journey with TNT Fireworks through 2009 through 2010, 2012, 2000. Yes, 2012. I guess I'm only guessing here, but it's right around there. So yeah, I'm going to give this the entire poster. Yes, the entire poster, not in half, not diagonally. No. Here, let me scoot over a little bit. Back way. This, the entire poster right here. I'm circling it in the air. That is the entire poster of TNT Fireworks. Happy birthday, TNT Fireworks. You have finally reached 100 years of business. Hooray for TNT Fireworks. Hip hip hooray! Hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! For TNT Fireworks. Yeah, I did put on a calendar saying Centennial Hero, so yeah, that's on the oh, again with the hand because of the daily basis. So right now, I'm getting close to finishing my USSA. It's the United Socialist States of America. So that I'm in. That I'm in. So yeah. So happy birthday, TNT Fireworks. Let's do 100 more.